Are you tired of using chemical hair dyes that polish your hair from outside, but from inside they make it so weak they are brittle and they cause hair fall? So let me share with you this herbal blend made with 100% natural herbs, which not only make your hair stronger, they also make your scalp healthier. And this herbal blend is made with 100% natural herbs that not only give your hair its natural color back, it also makes them stronger. Plus, it does not cause disbalance in your hormones like other normal hair dyes do. So watch the video till the end. That I'm going to use in this hair blend are 100% natural, and if you cannot find them anywhere near you, you can always order from our clinic. Because I am personally very sensitive about my hair, because at one point in my life I lost all the hair on my head and it was a tragic moment, and since then I have gone through every research that has been done on the health of the hair. So on this channel, I have already shared with you the recipe of a shampoo that does not disrupt your hormones, the recipe of oil that makes your hair stronger, and numerous other hair health recipes. To view all these recipes, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it so you get notified as soon as I upload these hair videos. Anyway, keep in mind this is a natural hair blend and it will not dye your hair instantly just like any other chemical dyes. But if you apply this hair mask twice or thrice a week, you will see results that will astonish you also. So first of all, I'll share with you what herbs I have used. Secondly, I'll tell you how to use it, when to use it and who should use it. So watch the video till the end.
So first of all, we'll add some curry leaves powder because it contains beta carotene, iron and antioxidants that restore the melanin. So it strengthens the hair shaft and reverses the early graying. Also, it stimulates something called melanin production. Melanin is the black pigment that is responsible for making your hair darker and shinier. Next, we will add some coffee powder because it contains caffeine and dark pigments that enhance the hair color without chemicals. And it also improves the blood circulation to the scalp. Next, these are some black sesame seeds. I'll grind them up and add because they are a rich source of copper, magnesium and zinc, all of which help maintain the natural black color of the hair. So it rejuvenates the hair follicles and delays the hair graying. Also it strengthens the roots of the hair. Next we will add some black tea leaves which are high in tannins. So they enhance the hair pigmentation and slow down the hair graying. Also over time it deepens the natural hair color and it reduces the hair fall and adds shine and volume to your hair. Then this is fenugreek powder. It contains protein and lecithin which restore the natural color and prevent the hair loss. Also it darkens the hair and reduces dandruff. And it also prevents any and all scalp infections. Next is Bhringraj. Bhringraj is also known as the king of hair in Ayurveda. It stimulates the scalp and enhances the natural melanin retention in the hair. Thus it promotes faster hair growth and thickness. Also it darkens the hair over time by increasing the melanin production and reduces the hair fall. And as you can see, my container fell short because I still have to add many other super powerful hair herbs in my mixture. So I am transferring it to a bigger tray. Anyway, next we will add dried amla powder because it is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants and tannins which enhance the melanin production. Thus it prevents the premature graying of hair by restoring the natural hair pigment. Also it adds shine and volume to the hair. Next is the blackheader powder, and in Ayurveda it is said that if you eat or apply blackheader powder to your hair, you will never get black hair before the age of 50 because it is so good at stimulating the melanin production. Next we will add something called Bacopa. I give it in my clinic for improvement of memory also because it improves the blood circulation to the scalp. So it nourishes the hair follicles and prevents the hair whitening. So it slows down hair graying and keeps the hair naturally darker. So as you can see, most of the things we are adding in this hair mask, we can eat them also. Next we will add some shikakai powder because it acts as a natural cleanser and preserves natural oils and enhances the hair darkness. One big cause of premature graying of hair is the chemicals and toxins in your shampoos. Next we will add some katta because it has strong tannins just like tea, which deepens the hair color. Next I have some cloves. I'll grind them up and then add to this mixture. Cloves are rich in antioxidants and a thing called eugenol which enhances the scalp blood flow, promoting natural hair color retention. So they strengthen hair roots and prevent premature graying of hair and also improve the scalp circulation. Also they fight up any scalp infections and dandruff. Next I have some fennel seeds which I'll grind up before adding because fennel seeds are loaded with minerals that detoxify the scalp. ensuring better absorption of all the other herbs that we have used in this mixture. Also, it adds shine and smoothness to hair and strengthens the hair roots. Next, we have some walnut shells powder, and walnut shells are a natural hair darkening agent and they have been used for centuries. And if used properly, it not only darkens the hair over time, it also prevents graying of the hair. And I'll be sharing with you just 16 of the many herbs that I use in this hair dye herbal mixture. In the herbal mixture that we sell on our clinic, there are some other powerful herbs also, and most of the times we customize as per requirement of our patients. Anyway, once we mix everything together, we will add some rice flour in it. Rice flour is an excellent source of biotin, and every one of us knows how good biotin is for the hair. Not only is it a source of biotin, it also makes the mask thick and easy to apply. And next I am adding some stinging nettle powder. Stinging nettle is rich in iron and silica, and not only it boosts the hair strength and color, it is exceptionally wonderful if your hair fall and hair graying is because of the hormonal imbalances. I also use it in my hormonal balance blend, which I regularly use for my patients suffering from problems due to hormonal imbalances. What I mean to say, most of the herbs used in this blend are so safe that we can eat them also. Anyway, once we mix everything together thoroughly, our herbal hair blend is ready, which as you can see is 100% natural and free of toxins and chemicals. To use it, add some into water. I am adding 2 tablespoons. You can add more or less depending on your hair length. So I usually soak 2 tablespoons of this hormonal blend in a cup of water and leave it overnight. In the morning, I just, without straining, I pour it into a saucepan. Now, if you cook it on a low-medium flame for about 5 to 10 minutes, you will see the mixture is thickening up because we have added rice powder in it, isn't it? But if you feel the mixture is too runny, you can add some more rice flour to it to make it into a paste-like consistency so that it is easier to apply. And did you note we did not add any chemical thickness to this mixture? We just added rice flour and that thickened it. And rice flour is wonderful for your hair. You must have used rice water before this, isn't it? Anyway, once you're happy with the consistency, take it off the flame and let it cool down a bit, and then part your hair and apply this mixture to your hair from roots to tips everywhere. You have to leave it on your hair for about 20 to 30 minutes just before you shower. And then you can shower as you usually do. You might not notice any difference in one application, but if you use it twice or thrice weekly, you will notice a major difference in about a month. So in a nutshell, if you plan to shower, soak this powder a night before. In the morning, just put it on the stove, make a paste, apply it for about 20 to 30 minutes in the time you iron your clothes, and then shower as you usually do. And I can guarantee you a healthier scalp, a shinier hair, and the return of your lost natural hair color. So share it with everyone who you know is suffering from premature graying of hairs, hair fall, thin hair, or any other hair problem. And let me know in the comment section below how did it turn out for them. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.